Alright, we're going to do some problems with algebra. This is lesson 3.2, Properties of Parallel Lines, part 2. Example 3 says, identify the types of angles given in the relationship, then use the properties of parallel lines to solve for the variables. So in this picture, I see that I have this angle here and this angle here. Those would be a pair of corresponding angles. And we know that corresponding angles are congruent. So that tells us how we're going to set up the equation. Those two angles are congruent. That means they're equal. So you can write 11x minus 2 equals 75. Add 2 to both sides. 11x equals 77. Divide both sides by 11. X equals 7. In example B, we have this angle here, and we have this one down here. That would be a pair of alternate exterior angles. And we know that alternate exterior angles are congruent. Well, this angle's got the square in it, so we know it's 90 degrees. That means that this one down here is 90 degrees as well. So 21x plus 6 equals 90 degrees. 21x equals 84. Divide both sides by 21. So x is equal to 4. All right, 2 more examples. This time I have this angle here, and I have the angle right inside it, right beside it. Those are same side interior angles. And they are not going to be congruent. They are going to be supplementary. Supplementary angles you add together. Don't set them equal. Add them together. They have a sum of 180. Add your like terms. They're on the same side of the equal sign. So 44x. Combine your constant terms. Positive 5 and negative 1 would be positive 4. That equals 180. Now you can subtract 4 from both sides. So 44x equals 176. Divide both sides by 44. 176 divided by 44 is 4. And the last one. In the last set, we have this angle here and this one down here. Those are both exterior angles. They're on different sides of the transversal. So those would be alternate exteriors. We know they're going to be congruent to each other. So we set up our equation. Negative 1 plus 14x will equal 12x plus 17. Lots of different ways. You could add 1 to both sides, and you get 14x equals 12x plus 18. Subtract 12x from both sides. 2x equals 18. Divide by 2, so x is equal to 9. Alright, that is it. That was short for part 2. You're going to do Math Excel 3.2 Properties of Parallel Lines. Show work on problems 4 through 8. Okay, remember that if you are a purple class, this is going to be due Monday. If you are a white day class and purple, you'll be 7:30 Monday. If you are a white day class, Monday 7:30 if you're P1, 10 o'clock if you were a P4. If you were a white day class, it is due on Tuesday. W3, it's going to be due at 9:10. W4, it's going to be due at 10 o'clock. We're shortened classes on Monday and Tuesday.